Hey, this LT with LT Fit here. Just want to give you a little information on LT Fit. Now, LT Fit is a fitness company that we offer bootcamp classes, health coaching, and one-on-one training. Now, our mission at LT Fit is empower people to live healthier lives. And we want to do this by energizing you, empowering you, and elevating you. So we want to energize you to be healthy and fit and to do all the things you need to do to enjoy life. Sometimes we don't have enough energy to do things, so it limits the fun that we can have in life. But when you have more energy, the doors are open for you to do a lot of new things to enjoy life, because that's what it's all about, enjoying life, right? So we want to energize you to enjoy life and be able to do all the things you need to do to accomplish all your goals, to excel and exceed your expectations with life. Now, we empower you because we want to empower you to meet whatever goals that you want to meet. Whether it's your health and fitness goals, whether your business goals, whatever it is, working out will help empower you to get there, to give you the confidence that you need to do that. Now, we want to elevate you because after you're energized and you're empowered, you elevate to a whole new level. You're not even at the same level. Some people might not even recognize you as being the same person because you're elevated to a new level, because when you internally get more physically fit and healthy, it changes your mindset. It helps you to be more aware of things. It helps you to be on another level because of how health and fitness impacts you. The confidence, the way you walk, the way you talk, the inner strength, all that type of stuff that you did to get towards whatever goal you did in fitness is going to help elevate you to a new level. So my goal here is to energize you, to give you the energy to do what you need to do, empower you to be able to give you the confidence what you need to do, but elevate you to a new level so you can exceed and excel at whatever you do. Because from those fitness workouts and from all the hard work you put in, you know now that nothing's impossible. So I look forward to helping you out with going towards your fitness goals in every area. It's going to impact every area of life. So I look forward to helping you out. This is LT with LT Fit. I'm ready to energize, empower, and elevate you. Have a great day.